Presenting Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. This dark red smartphone is also available in light green and black color variants. The Galaxy A14 has Android 13 One UI, Core version 5 OS, Octa-Core processor with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage for fast and efficient performance for the task at hand. It is also available in 4GB of RAM, 64GB storage, and 8GB of RAM, 128GB storage size variant. Now let us look at its 6.6-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a 20:9 aspect ratio for cinematic viewing. The 50+2+2 megapixel high-resolution camera helps you capture the world on the go. Experience the best battery life with its 5000 mAh long-lasting battery. The box includes the phone, SIM tray ejector and USB cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.